This is the performance review for week 24 of 2024. So let's start by inputting values into the spreadsheet. So the balance on June 10th, which was the start of the week. Actually, now let's look at the balance at the end of Friday the 7th, because that's going to be the starting balance. It's 25,794. And the balance at the end of the week, Friday, was 25,248. So I lost $545 or negative 2.11% last week. Now let's look at what the theoretical P&L would have been. So theoretically it lost 2.04%. And now let's look at the trade history. So yeah, from 610 to 614. So here's a breakdown of the P&Ls by individual stock. And let's compare those stock by stock P&Ls to theoretical. So we'll go back to real test and we'll open up the trade list. All right, so the first one we'll look at is AIG. So we bought it here and it kept going down. So you can see that it's been doing well in general, but we bought during this dip and it went further down. So we lost about 3% on that one. Next one we'll look at is AXP, American Express. Same thing here. We bought on the way down and it kept going down for the week, resulting in a 3.07% loss. Next one is Caterpillar. Same story here. We lost, but not quite as much. We lost 2.2% on this one. And then we have MetLife. Again, kept going down. Lost 1.61%. And finally, Wells Fargo. Didn't lose quite as much, but did lose 86 basis points on that one. So, overall, not a great week, but if we look at the P&L, week by week P&L, going back in history, we can see that our loss of roughly 2% is not really a big deal at all. I mean, it doesn't really feel good to lose 2%. A couple of weeks after incepting a new strategy, but it does happen, and it's a very common thing. So, and if you look at the equity curve, let's zoom in, let's say from 2015 or so. This is where we are at. So, we're in a little bit of drawdown. So not a huge deal. It's pretty run-of-the-mill. It's a garden variety drawdown, I would say. So let's look at how we've done on a cumulative basis since inception. So this system is officially 2 weeks old now. So far we are actually down $356, and that represents a negative 1.38 P&L since starting at the beginning of June. So that wraps up the performance review for week 24 of 2024. Thank you for watching.